If you're looking for powerful cleaning performance and smart design that actually makes vacuuming easier, Miele's new bag cylinder vacuum cleaners are built to impress. This is the Miele Guard L1 Comfort XL. It's smart, seamless, and sensitive, with automatic floor detection that adjusts suction as you move. You don't have to think about it, it just works. The Parquet Twister floor head is perfect for large hardwood floors, and the HEPA air clean filter captures 99.999% of fine dust and allergens. It's ideal if you've got allergies or just want a cleaner, healthier home. Pet owners, this one's for you. The Miele Guard M1 Cat and Dog is designed to tackle stubborn pet hair with its turbo brush forehead, and the active air clean filter helps neutralize pet odors. It's engineered for life with a generous 4.5-liter bag and built-in accessories that are always within reach. And if you're after something compact, the Miele Guard S1 delivers high suction power in a lightweight design. It's perfect for everyday cleaning in smaller homes, with ergonomic features and a 10-meter operating radius. Miele Floor Care is built to last, designed for modern living, and delivers premium performance with every clean. If you're ready to upgrade your home hygiene, come check out the Miele Guard range in store at JB Hi-Fi.